Welcome to my channel, College Mathematics. I will be uploading video lectures in wide variety of contents from school to college level mathematics in this channel, College Mathematics. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos and my channel. This will give me an extra motivation to make videos useful to an interested audience who can benefit from these video lectures. Let's make this world a better place to live by sharing our knowledge. In this video lecture, I'm going to actually explain a factoring technique for the difference of the two squares. And the formula is a squared minus b squared. That on the left side is the difference of the square. It is going to factor into two binomials, a minus b times a plus b. To look at how this happens, we can see we can multiply the a minus b with a plus b. Okay, so we multiply this by FOIL technique. So this is going to be a squared plus ab minus ab plus minus b squared. So we're using the FOIL technique. What happens here is the middle two terms, plus ab and minus ab, they cancel. And what is left is a squared minus b squared. So a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b times a plus b. You can write this either way. It can be a plus b times a minus b. So therefore we have this formula here. So we are going to use this formula to factor the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared. So let's see some examples. All right, here are the three examples. The first one is x squared minus b squared. So this is a binomial. Because of the square, you can see this is going to fit in a squared minus b squared format right here. Okay. So first we need to write down this as a square, the difference of the square. X squared is x squared, but the 4 is 2 squared. So it is x squared minus 2 squared. So this is now exactly in a squared minus b squared format. So this is going to be equal to a minus b times a plus b. So here in the formula, you're gonna use a equal to x and b is equal to 2. Okay. So a minus b times a plus b. The formula is a minus b times the a plus b. All right, that's the formula. Okay. So all you have to do is a is x. You're going to put x for a and 2 for b. So x minus 2 and x plus 2. All right, so this is how we factor x squared minus 4. The second example is 9x squared minus 16. So this, we need to put it as square, the difference of the square. All right, so 9 means 3 squared. So we're going to put 3 here. X squared means x. So 9x squared is actually 3x squared minus 16, it is 4. So now this is now exactly in a squared minus b squared format. So we can use the formula a minus b and times a plus b. All right. So this is going to be now a minus b times a plus b. All you have to figure out what is a and what is b. This thing in the first parenthesis, that's the a, and this one is your b. Okay, so a is 3x, b is 4. So all you have to do is replace a by 3x and b by 4 in this formula here. So it will be 3x minus 4 times the 3x plus 4. All right. All right, our third example is 20x3 y minus 45x y 3. This, if I look at this problem here, we cannot put this thing as the difference of the two square right away. The problem is the 20 is not a perfect square number, not like 4 or 9 or 16. Similarly, 45 is also not a perfect square number. It's not the square of any of the numbers. Okay. Similarly, x3, y, the letters are also not in the square format. So the problem here is there is a greatest common factor. Okay. So in this problem, the greatest common factor is from 20 and 45. The greatest common factor is 5. Then look at the x. You got x3 and x. Your greatest common factor will be x. And then you look at the y's, y and y3. The greatest common factor is y. So actually 5xy is the greatest common factor of this problem here. So let's take that out, okay? Take this out. So we got 5xy, that's the greatest common factor. We take it out. Now 20 divided by 5 is 4. X3 divided by x will leave you x squared. And y divided by y will leave you nothing. So 1 minus 45 divided by 5 will leave you 9. X divided by x will leave you nothing. Then y3 divided by y will leave you y squared. Okay, so what do we get here? We got 4x squared minus 9y squared. So the thing inside the parentheses looks is going to fit into a squared minus b squared format, but we are still not in putting this in the format. First, we need to put this thing into the format. Okay, so squared minus squared, right? So difference of the square. 4 means 2, x squared means x. So 4x squared is actually 2x squared. 9 is 3, y squared is y. So 9y squared is actually 3y squared. All right, now this is what going to fit into our a squared minus b squared format. Okay, so this 5xy on the outside will stay. Okay, but this thing inside the parentheses, the square bracket, is going to be a plus b times the a minus b. What is go for x? 2x is a and 3y is your b. Okay, all right. So I'm going to put 5xy right here. So a means 2x. So 2x plus 3y, because b is 3y, and then 2x is 2x minus b is 3y. Okay, so this is the complete factorization of this a little bit complicated polynomial. Okay, so after you take the GCF out, you see the things inside the parentheses nicely fits into a squared minus b squared format, and then you can use the a squared minus b squared formula, and that's how you get the factor. All right. So these are some examples, and the next I'm going to put some problems for you guys to practice, and you guys can pause the video and practice the problems, and at the end of the lecture I will post also the answer for the problems. So please pause the video. All right, so here are some practice problems for you guys. So factor the following binomials. First one is y squared minus 25. Second is 4m squared minus 36. Third one is 24m cubed n minus 54mn squared. All right. So these three examples are similar to the 1, 2, 3 respectively we did in the first part of the video. All right. So pause the video and try to solve these three binomials. I hope that you guys are now ready with this problem done. So now I'm going to show you the answers. Here are the answers, okay? If you find any mistake, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate that one. Um, and also it will motivate me to make no mistake in my other videos, you know. Uh, um, Also, if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Um, so that will give me an extra motivation to make more videos. And thank you so much for watching my videos.